Good afternoon. Welcome Krip Kebo. So I can see Jini speakers are Paika. So let us begin. Time Bojaka 1 p.m. Tikala, once again, good afternoon Krip Kebo. Dinini Ibu lecture series program Han Krip Kebo ang Lamjoladu. Ibu di masa Scholars League jing minishi kabani on ha duha first time jing ibu lecture series ke jing ibu ke deng jen ba ulai baha jing nailange ba mabri jing lecture khna langkha jini given distinguished guests in front speakers in front ulai ning dini jing lecture labu buka jini speaker in front and I welcome him, Dr. Dhruba Hojai, and we are very happy that you accepted our invitation. Dr. Hojai is a retired director in the Directorate of Health Services, Government of Assam, and of course a very visionary figure in our Dimasa society. Skala dinini ibu lecture ke Dr. Hojai changli gini pa topic jaka socio-economic review of the Dimasa community. So, sir, if you're ready, ang nishne dua bubli au paladu. First, ang nishne 45 minutes lecture nekli hideng ba. Buni yon ha another around 30 minutes jing queries, questions, butu ke jing accept du. Ode he nishikrip participants ro butu chat box ha rilaf du nishne queries ke. Ode buke jing mashikle lapalangan. So, sir, over to you. Sir, kindly unmute yourself.
Now, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Sigala Rajirao ke ani asoma hamjo mari ladu today. Ang maya ba topic la ang gro mane cuma ni ini dia bala socio-economic review of the Dimasa community. The important topic la to be ani sabala community jingla wala Dimasa is this community jahidong sikabo socio-economic zone la jayo. Socio-economic zone means it is a samaj. Dini samaj mane dong lakabo. Masa samaj dong situ dong jinda machi dara dong disa dong. Ode manam frang jing raja ni som frang Ilya ba jeni dara disa tau babulega. Ibuni kitchang kase history हमसे निया just a gist of the history मनन होला स्वर्गीय सोनाराम थाउजन चिलांगुले चिला दिमासा केला मनन होला चार केला ओडो सासे छिबासितु prior to the reign in this thing Dimapur ओडेसे Dimapur ha jeni राजधानी जाबा मफंग से जिनके दिमासा छिबा बा आरमा सिगराव दंखो बुहा सेरेबल सिदु जे जिमा लबिला बिगे छिबा Cerebella Brahmaputra ke Chidu Cerebella Mabok Chigabo. As per Sunaram thousands version, it is the river is Donsri. La boat is for Dimasa la river Donsri from Cerebella ni Jaram Rang by Woodara Jing Dimasa Sihi Sioba. Target Sibajing. Riyauna Jing Bula Masi Dimapura Masi historic place. Even it is mentioned in the Mahabharata. Rumprang Jing Yauna Jini capital Jing like a ship like a my bang. My Rumprang. Now they Yauna last Alajin and this capital La Astu. Sigala Ibuja Halajini short history, but Sir Edward Gates ni Boyhadong who was a debate Java, 6 schedule debate Java, who is a constituent assembly. What are the Kacharis conquered the Brahmaputra Valley 3,000 years before the birth of Christ. Ulei masi space jaga masi ilei botchor jing mani uklega rule tlega ibuke asamke. Sigabo jini history ulei shuyabo. Jini history only starts from our war. Tidbits of war with the Ahum people, with the Ahum kings. Sigala bu gezer ni bu history le bratong bu khela jingla research le manandu. Jo bu research le sere klaima. Actually bu jini bu somaj ni kraut sigala. Dimasa jo socio-economic. This, what do you mean by this socio-economic zone? Socio-economic zone ke la mane Sanskrit la samaj se siva. Chile duhani jini present position hala Dimasas as per the 2011 census we are 1,42,413 in Assam, out of which 6,760 are in Kachar and 30,000 live in Ujai. And this thing, and 13,000 and 34 are in Nagaland. So similar to Dima Hasau, Jinha Jing Duachar ke Hasawa de Tongero, Utukela Dima Hasau Chichidu Uleding Dima Dizuache Budong, Dima Dembra Chihi Budong, Dima Hawar Chihi Budong, Udehe. And within Dima Hasau, our Magan Mane divisions of Kojini, Masisagala Hasau Hamri, or Masisagala Hasau Semkor. Our Jini Ha Ar Dutunko Walgong Dembra, Walgong Sauti. Tikala Jinibu Jin Hala Duhala main thing la Jinla six schedule. 6 schedule to the distinct Constitution of India. Okay, 1952 incorporate labor. Buhaning Jini many customary rules or customary laws to get within the framework of the constitution of the 6th schedule jing okay sajai mo so buta ma jaya 1952 or 1969 ha jing masis as a scope mas mai ba mo to go to join the hill state with the district Meghalaya wabujing ang fiaka agarom bo mane ibu to mane politics bang mane yaw nala duha jing duha asamat hoga duha jini status ulai je jing journey six schedule within the framework of the 6th schedule or within the constitution of the 6th schedule was jini customary laws ke jing was to slumfi ko bu laws lamani customary laws lamani jini bu power ke jing unknowingly 1969 na jing okay maba Governor of Assam jing surrender like unknowingly most it is due to not knowingly but due to this ignorance tikala tin takhani nisi sum mane puri answer or these scholars should take this into account that jini customary laws rules putu shikre hi chamanandu are ibu constitution framework legal framework of the constitution to the 6th schedule ora jini po customary laws were rules ke jing frame claim kade jini paini amdona sigala please let us discuss what do you mean by our this thing bit about samaj or our this nolai setup diraha jini masi jinis dong ang bawyaba jinis do grode ang constitution jini customary rules jamanga drafting claiba sereba masi some organization aneriba mo drafting claiba ni wang bu jini bede jamanang rechi masi just beginning some claiba wo first jeni bala nolai nice coach do nolai nice coach mane simanang re okay that is a village district council. In the village council, village council, there was some thamun saruni dong, mars epus magam saruni dong, sereba dong. Ibu di masaruni village council sihi masih jini janni ibu jang terautai jang pure prosusi begini ko. Puri bani purke jing nolai nice coach sikala. And it should be a body comprising of 22 members of the village this constituted by the village to look into the common interest and general welfare of the inhabitants of a Dimasa village under its jurisdiction. 11 of the members will be elected, and 11 members will be co-opted from the village by the elected body of the Nolai NESCO as below. Chila buhan Nolai NESCO hasel se dungma kunang ula chief bukala jing the chief chima village ni chief ode ibu kunang zakhala chief and this committee of Nolai Naisco shall have the same meaning and definition as is provided under Section 2 of the United Mikir and North Kasar Hills Appointment and Successions of Chiefs and Headmen Act 1959. And that the Kunang of the village must be a male person. Jinla Namburabo Masajik Jafia, Pudibani, Ibu. This thing, Kunang should be a male person. While the rest of the members can either be male or female, as the case may be. And Masijala Dilik, which means the secretary of this thing, Nolai Naisco. Number 4 Hazagala Hapaiskau means the hailer of the Nolai Naisco. Ubu Uklebeba announce Lebeba. Ukachimajin Hapai Skau are Ranko Naisco means that is the Ranko Naisco is a Hala Ibusum treasurer Zama are Naga Hoja, Chikalabula male person, male youth leader Zama are Naga Prachikala, he'll be the assistant to this Naga Hoja. Then Armasidongma number 8 as Malahoja or Armasila number 9 Hala Hangajik Hoja, married woman ni mane hisabla Nolai Naisco ni Masi who mane married woman ni representative.
Dr. Hojai, kisha ang nawaza habado. Sound kisha nawaza paiba background ha. An kisha mic closer lap kade hambono.
Jadu tu ha. Jadu.
Actually background kisha mashi na paiba ba. Sound kisha shaking.
Shaking. No, it's alright. I think.
Currently mashi paiba ba bani.
Jadu. Yeah, that's already Giriba. It's a light Giriba.
So that those are then continue play that.
Dua kisah.
Jadi sir ni continue play lah ni an. Kisah kemana? Ya, kebo.
Ada just Hangajik. Hangajik hosen grau kecil dah. Boleh Hangajik fry. Boleh Rajini Shengfeng Scout. Mane each Shengfeng will have its own representatives. Okay, pa. Now I am clear, I think. Hello? Hello?
Sir, kabang de kipin de sa soro ya. It's okay. Please continue.
Acha. Now let me continue. Duhala Garola Zakhala. What do you mean by socio-economic this thing movement? Actually, after all these things, we should know we should develop a new God-centered socio-economic movement or a demonstration. This is so much. What Dimasa Somas the Dong Lada Dong, but it is not this thing decentralized. Decentralized near Jini society. Jin Basawa CM Dong, EM Dong, Basawa Minister Dong. We to say centrally Jinke, you play the control labor. Chicago, Ani Bautayala, everything should be decentralized and the power of the society should be in the hands of the common district Dimasana. Sila who Samaj or the socio-economic zone may be defined as the movement of a group of people moving in unison with the same belief and culture and the same language towards a particular goal for their socio-economic progress. Jini Bautai Lutai, Jini Dara Disa, Krip Masijama, Ode Jini Masis God centered Masi socio-economic goal Zamanam. Okay, say so much chili. Sila Jin Hala to Associate Gri Husulilla. Ule Jin Slamadam. Even now agree. Asim Sarun Habu Uli Abu Somas Gri. Uber cribs in Busini, Ibu Somas Buru. Even Bengali Somas often start like a Skivo. Is northeast Gide to Ibudong, Odo Somas Dong, or this thing. Ochomia Somas Dong, or Armasis Somas Gadia Vala Ibudong, Lecture Somas Chili. Butu Kributu, socio-economic zone, Sikabo, it is not, it's practical. Ibu Jiniske, sing decentralized Lemanama. Somas movement is very, very important for us. Very, very important for us. Duhanai Jini,
body friction
I can't help it. There is no light, no? Duhala socio-economic movement is very, very important. Duhana America ke nahi. America is one of the most advanced countries in the world. Chicago, ora somas bangbi ora. Ora ni mane whether you tell North India or North America bachila, South America bachila, ora given kusini somas do. Wala main la Chayaba Butu. America के rule है white city, उसला city, Aryan city. फिर पुंसी ला दुआला इबुसे समझ capitalist. You know that 1% of these capitalists are ruling or getting the money of the 90% of the population of the world. 1% no person for capitalists. Mana halai butung bomo. Ibu maba communism siapa? Ula USSR masih dia ba. Yes tu ba. There were so many countries in the USSR. Communism is a very old type of this concept. Usini, spiritually, that this communism is very far away from God. That's why it disintegrated. USSR mane 20 বছর সাগা জম কামছি দুহা চলি আবার জিনিস জালা জেনলা capitalism. Capitalism ibu capitalism la tuha 10% sin dongba subung whole world da capitalist kunsi 90% world ke kunsi salai kunsi 90% khali rang asal basi rang nang do kunsi rang lama rang bedeklis lama all the tricks of the trade rang ke kunsi object like which is not natural ibulan ibunia se natural nesi odiban se tuha ile tuha ibu sung masih covid 19 ning masih plus point sakala jingke masih ibu klega kunuka je with only capitalism we cannot survive. The world has become global. Ibu Rabindranath Thakur ni masih poem do where the woman this thing mind is without fear. Orahan bu mentioned that where that these countries are not divided by narrow distinct domestic walls. In that this heaven of freedom, let my country awake. Ibu masih dong aribu Bhupendra Sangit, Bharat Ratna, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika or clever Zabba. We are in the same boat, brother. If you shake one end, and the other thing, other end will be shaken. We are all in a cosmic boat. Ibu world la earth la masih cosmic boat sih. Ibu cosmic boat ha jing tripo ibu vessel la cosmic vessel a boat ha jing ibu universal travel and let us travel together peacefully and harmoniously. Buke duha subung putu whole world a using voice mane giri ka chiga bo buji phai ka sung putu. Udipan se duha indigenous mane movement putu duha buja bo forefront la. Hum सीख रहे दुआ वो indigenous this movement putu duha shobai. America had what there. Americans within the Americans. The land of America actually belonged to the red Indians. They are the indigenous people of this America. Wah kunsini ibu hatu atau semua ibu constitution na. Biar sama ibu Ambedkar puri hiba law ibu puri hiba wah bu nuba kusini kusebuah constitution so beautifully made that the Red Indians are treated as a nation within a nation within this American nation. Uribani busini jaga Usini ha, usini pongpang, usini tau, usini longthai jalating, usini limestone jalating, अच्छा वो jalating. Okay, Munsin se. The general, the Americans do not have any this authority over this things which are within this American, to say, Red Indian this land. Ulining bukhe lahining jing ibu 6 schedule til Islam bamsi. 6 schedule bo masih ibu say constitution. It's a mini constitution within this constitution of India. Okay, ibu boy ke rebe ba jahal 6 schedule ke rebe ba Justice just Hansiria, and also it was backed by one of the Supreme Court, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. The 6th schedule is a constitution within the constitution. What is the definition of a constitution? It is a legal framework on which we can make the laws. So, who laws put in Islam affair. So, we have a time dom. Tini ibu 6th schedule ke jing ibu claim banam. We should safeguard it. Udibani, Jini Dimasarau ke mane trip Dimasa adjoining areas ke Lafaman Tlaila Bora 1952 isakane kunci Borderloi Commission ha buklai baha memorandum river Tribal Council C, not NC Hills District Tribal Council. HM Longbar Buhar Buni Bucham Tribal Council Chairman Longbar or Mani it's Descendo Jose was the General Secretary. Kunci mas drafting klega. Nade nangdo jini ibu nangdo ibu jini jinis baba jinis jini mane nolai bedi zaman nangre baba bedi zaman nangre. Udisego buhutu jinis are adjoining areas like Hawar, Dembra, Dijua, and Dimapur. Jing buha saibamu. Sigabu ibu kela go accepting Dima Hasau, Duani it is Dima Hasau. Accepting that, giving Kelabo 6 schedule reply. Udipan searching here, Ibu Jiniske, whether to revive it or whether to leave it alone like this. It is for you, it's the general people to decide. Anyway, Tuha Jing Dimasarau, Jini budgeting. Ibu, this thing Indian government should not be confused with the Dimasa Samaj as the political place for them. Jaban Sikala, Dua Jini Dimasarau, National Party Jing Nangdoya. Jini God-centric or Dimasa-centric regional party na. Regional political party na. Nangdo bude. Jaman sigese, ode sigese jini pasowa dispute ba given government payaba butu. Those are all the same political party, national political party. These national political parties are Silago. Mane basaw mafrang sebu same flavor. Usini mane butu program butu riba. Ini butu ke. Ini socio-economic. Isi ediklai era school dang. Ang menang had aflong ha. Ibu chief medical officer dong baha. Uraham masih jaga ha. Dihangi nolai ni ba ibu ni Waigo nolai ni berapa usangga itu sampai Gonjung area ni okay berapa isi centrally era zaman nangre state dispensary era zaman nangre hospital kita semua zaman nangre sub-center era zaman nangre go Busi rita ya ona la buke pura using jaya ha ya ona usuko jahi mane pola usuko ba burun khoje tila jing dimasro ringa ba jing sechima muti jini hospital kikera nangdu jini ibu era nangdu mane school ibu place nangdu jini central place jini curriculum eri zaman nangdu. One thing very important for us is that Dimasa language jini tradition culture are Dimasa language के जिन हम सीख लेते हैं प्रिजर्व लेवल पे मसी कराओ डोंग जे any language has a lifespan of 3,000 years. उधेबनी जिन दुहा language we should try to learn our language in school. School ada jeng Dimasa language ki sling manang. So of course given language ko jeng sling lama Assamese ke jeng sling la podu Bangla ke sling la podu English ke sling la podu but the most important thing is that we should know Dimasa language and the history of the Dimasa tribe. This is most important. Depriving anyone the right to learn his mother tongue has been told by a great philosopher that it is just like this throttling or strangulating the neck of that native person. Kudibani jini culture tradition pula reform mane chapalangma it should be more yogic more modernized but our language we should have a right to learn and develop our language punikle aging duha ibu language ke masi jini cultural center or cultural university as in UK preserve level nampu art somebody development odise jini socio economic mane hamma odi he arma sikro ko this thing this budgetary planning budget islam budget la pula council islam fiasi budget should be council islam kala pusla city centrally some money impositions is obviously it should be the budget should be from the lower level from the grassroots level rather grassroots level from the jini budget islam manam jing ili nangdu ili rang nangdu era school nangma nangdu nang ya deng itu ke mane kuchile mane budget bu budget ke jing go buang manang achna ya ba kau jini nolai ni particularly administration zaman nangde bu kunang dunia ba nofrang nolai nice school nofrang nice school from se budget ke Islam manang re nolai hanani nangdu nangya some particularly development lema buntlai slip fund nang majiti utu ke ko to had district council jalating ba ho jaini wo chuma ba administrative DC ko jalating mo jalating buchini khushi nadi kusila budget islam niya si kusin kusila bu jini budget ke jing islam yo ke help family more scientific family jini budget jini seli ile nangdu jini school nangdu jini college nangdu jini mama nangdu jini playground nangdu jini ji nangdu ji ore bu ke jing masih budget ha remman nangdu okay Okay, buke chile all cultural rules, economic planning. Oh, economic planning is the state budget. Or would I say bu state jini buke chile participatory is the budget. Krip subungbo. Nolai ni krip subungbo ura budget ha meeting ha kamdada. Krip subung niya pusini representative. Bista sibedang. Mane masih nolaya mane 22 jon le rimanang besibuda. 11 will be elected and the rest will be co-opted. Kuliaba bu committee se because of budget lamana bogo. This is called participatory budgeting. This is very, very important. EBU model la very successful in the Portio Hungary model. The structure of the scheme gives sub-jurisdiction. Orang ni neighborhood ni sungguh tu pun nolai sarai beraibo bu budget ha. So participation. Ure bu tu semua official butu ACS, IAS, ulia bu ibu finance di sung butu ko ibu nolai apa itu dia pusi ke juru mana le. Udah iralan nanti jadi nanti semua involvement jadi. Community members identify spending priorities and select the budget delegates. Budget delegates develop specific spending proposals with the help from experts. Kubu experts putu. Jing council mane pingero putu. Usi ke cima. Usi ke lama hisab to give us the expert advice. And these community members vote on which proposals to fund. Beliau proposal to fund funding alaman nangdu. Okay, o kukuraha voting book le manam. The city or this institution implement the top this proposal. So, getting a proposal like dams, some of electricity. Bukan nolai seru apply ada. But getting some proposal kena. Bukan lagu bu. But expert ni jawa. City ha. Ba council dari hamanang re. Ba state government dari hamanang. Era maitu je a comprehensive case study of 8 municipalities in Brazil. Analyzing the successes and failure of the participating budget has suggested that it often results in more equitable public spending, greater government transparency, and accountability. So, accountability domain. Jing nadi ke budget labor, business spent labor. Bisle nang kajeni ar bisle jeni budget provision nang duho na nang yakan na rang sebasika na ibu surplus saka urang ke given jeni searching utilize ela fudu ude he jeni bu tuha media chidu jeni bu media lab ibu camada masri jeni soil ni media jeni samawa hatane ni media not government sponsored media do butu nai kari media butu bo maximum media butu ne jare usi government sponsored Usini political pasi ibu thare dongwe aim. Ulia ba chini disbutu ke chini avoid lemam. Chini jagani jani media dongman. Ode hai working in tandem with the participatory economic planning by the local people should also be there. The block level planning shall be the main focus, and based on the inter-planning such as district regional planning, वो planning बुटो को budget जगह और budget के जिंग use ले मैंने बुझे जगह planning, and this planning should not be in the hands of these corporates or the capitalists. Capitalist mukto zaman ago. Ar era jini rang jodi ba jinis butu jodi bangdo khachi gala rang ke jini budget mufang mane surplus khachi gala masih jenis mana apply ke lagu ka nangya ka because in barter trade chili ke jenis mana slightly mana because in slightly capitalist ruler nine they produce the lowest cost. They produce it at the lowest cost and sell it at the highest cost or with great profits. Ulia bake jing subida lima dai. Decentralized lima nagre. Ude hai jini ibu butu ke masih sini kusum ibu ke industry. Sehingga mainly lah di masalah lah semua agriculture this oriented sih. Sehingga jin ha jodi industry agriculture kita jin highly developed jafia. Udipan tendara zang 30 to 45% of the masses, this population, unsi agriculture are dependent zaman lagi. Jaman sigala 30 to 40% जो दी 30 to 40% ने पसवा जो दी agriculture ने पसवा dependent है दूसरी कहते वो चीनी हाँ नहीं पसवा हम सेटिंग pressure कराइले उठी बने वो हाँ बुटू हम ये जारी और मसी जिनी हम ये बाला मसी जिनी हाँ मने loss से है बा चखला इबुगो मसी shifting cultivation उस shifting cultivation की जिंग बेदिक ले ही इबु क्लेमा कौन क्लेमा and what is the alternate farming to be given to the people खाली फटाई नंगा सिंचाई वाला जिन दारा दिशा हला जिन जेबन फटाई नहीं वो कले डांगरे फर्स्ट सकले जिन मखाम जिमन सेकंड सकले जिन माइजू बाइरिंग माइजू उधे है वो माने सामले बुगाई जितु इबुला जिनी माने कल्चर हा जिनी नांगबन क्ले चिकाबो तुहा जिंग जुदी इबु के जिनी इबु सिस्टम के शिफ्टिंग कल्टिवेशन के जिंग जुदी शिफ्ट क्ले माने शिफ्टिंग सब कल्टिवेशन के जिंग जुदी स्लाइड ऐसी के जे जिनी क्या होना आरबो माने Chini towards माने environmental damage ले जान जका Arbuzamoko. Udibani shifting cultivation needs alternative. That's all Nadi Tong. Ukajing Naimanagi. As for example, tea garden, who must scope down, rubber plantation down, or the orchards down, fruit plantations. Only ever jinis butu, long lasting ever jinis butu ke, jing jodi, yaoi futu sigete, shifting cultivation should be not shifting, but it should be static cultivation. What are happening jing scientifically, masijaka happening, patai, dangmani, there was sick level. Japan chila hagabang ni, jini, ujatu. Nostuzatu. Udiban darazang, ibu, hazang ibu, jini, any environment. Are some bompang butu lost. What they have are masses landslides, especially Dimason Kroketsiba, Dimasova, how many landslides? Sumjaman Java. Chikala Duhani to Pusini Ibu Dua East West corridor Slamia, train line Slamia Butu. Scientific need. Seven is scientific near Sikala. Some Boyavilla. British time, British ago, medically survey. Utsila Ili Mane just it's a happy some of who haphazardly yes, Musila. Ibu Miship ke se mukhle hane de eker hare miship bizingide thangre ko buke usi survey ane try palang rekhi buke se usi lama go slamba ar ibu go slamba rail line go slamba who say actually natural. Scientific law, science is based upon nature. What one says in scientifically, you need to have capitalist from the scientific, you can lie in natural science. You have think mishap, very lama funure, ibu lama nakala so. Roads lego hamnang rail lego hamnang siya wag to crowd to udibani British time day so amolni nai to northeastern railways to 100 years so lasting Peter Gross or a mucho will seem ibugiri landslides are very less. So, Duhala Haji Hagating landslide general. Haji Hagating landslide general. Wo Ching Lamas and survey clever botu La University. Scientific university. They have Jinha, we were on the grips of the severe exploitation since the colonial times. Jenny Bahal from starts Jenny exploitation from the theft of trees. Jenny Bondo Butu, Ompang Butu ke Potalanka. Serekova, this capitalists. Marwaris Butu. Jini bisle raha ibu tongba hamba bongpong tongba butu ke bisle langter and even this corruption was there transit pass kusi dig dada lava kusi Rajasthan ke development मैंने developed lava pulling ko jenis putu ke first salah jenis trees ke pensilangka first salah jenis trees then afterwards bamboos wala jenis tara disaha nangdo phwe mo jenis okay jing michida sigo jenis of deliver 30 years lease in the bamboo growing these areas. Chila 30 years lease in the bamboo growing areas of Dima Hassan. Braha bamboo growing area river. Very babo. Dima Hassan ne crave jaga habudum. Wo manane wo bamboo day. Wow. What even play that means our land has been leased. Jini Dima Hasau ke riakha je.
Sorry sir, ang kisah kung interrupt hai pinang would you kindly kisah conclusion nak kisah paikal ham dorang time actually up cha ha
de ani mage the conclusion ani mata mage ibu masih magazine karo dong ba busa halago jini ibu pastor sikang jini semua bilang tentang bondo lang terka exploited walang terka jibo these are the few things which can be rebuilt sigabo to limestone langya ba jini bu limestone ke directly langba punsi because in 6th schedule everything belongs to the Dimasas 6th schedule hade usi sauchi belang fia mane ibu bondo ko belang fia wa ke belang fia ode he ibu ko belang fia limestone ko beda busi practice lam dia gently era ora jini mane ibu mane employment mane clinker system pa clinker is the busi given stage sa busi practice lam ora se busi ibu appointment mai jini musi appointment mai era jini mane ibu jaya we don't get any employment opportunities. Udiban sing, Jini Bu, what do you mean by socio-economic? Samaj means that Dimas Sani Jagani Jinis ke jing find ada Bu Jinis ni rangke find later the Bu rangke pinjing Dima land mane Dimasa jaga Dimasa ni semua area utilize like in kase ukase mane Dimasa somasa subung butu jingke man khaiba ar jingbo Dimasa somasni labjaba ji angde baje ekholege bawladu even not only that koila achila thing are even this mineral oil, petrol by central government langfia. Chibo ibu jinis ke jing customary rule by law haslam se jini ibu jam effective jam. Tei humi this 1000. Thank you for your moderation.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Dhruvo Joy, for this wonderful lecture. Odehe, amits do ibu topic by ni, hamshining crucial, important, but at the same time, hamshining broad, nanskala socio-economic aspects baha, but amajinis paido raha. Odeba ni problems to identify klaiman ekla ibo by ni approaches given nangdu, but really appreciate different aspects within coming within socio-economic aspect. He mentioned or they buni basically problems to tackle nang. Ang ultimately nishini lecture kna hi ang nadi ang jar mashi concluding statement ang jar thailaya ba ang bolaya ba khade sir nishini problems beran ki tackle ke life monetly jini di masa society ha jing journey issues ke journey resources ke full use life ma or the hedging self reliant jama ili baha ang waisho haba ang furia baning bu barrier elwin ni buskang ha bula actually not trained in anthropology ska bu anthropologist chalang ha or the bu mashi 5 navaslamba 5 measures for helping tribal people si panchashila si babu tribal rojang dong bhai northeast habo central india habo de buke Jawaharlal Nehru jini first prime minister buke adopt laiba for tribal government oraha ning seba points butuning the basis the basic statement is the same orabu only mentioned kaidu I totally agree with that skala duhajing jini participants ni from aspa giving questions tong skala jini speaker bo address lai lama ang chat box hanu habale skala mas phaya ko maybe because the topic bo bai ni thought provoking ning ode he bangbi raha socio economic aspect even maybe participants robo bouting la nai do ode bani queries do shirip ang maya ko
de
ani gitin from sir ang mashiding shinanang duha problems la more or less general issues ke address khai ka tska duha as a whole di masas ke address khai nishit ba ni habu duha jing as a whole di masani socio economic issues ke remduts kala jing kisha micro level jangbo naima nangma hapai jangbo naima nangma skala do you think there is any way to have a uniformity in nan skala to hasauni village council village organization ja given jala free demra niksha given jala free so what are your thoughts on this particularly as for uniformity labuf no okay so the issues be resolved by money I don't know if I'm clear
yeah I'm you're very very clear to me ibu demra hasau demra ibu hasau demra tijua hawar la krip jini chani masining thi di masaro ning di krip given divisions mane due to political reasons we have been separated sibo ibu jini sketching jodi 6 schedule la hum sikh lete da rule ke jodi lab ruchigite ibu ke dembra habo dijiwa habo hawar habo hum sikh lete da pusi jini customary rules ji jing government ne habo jing ke rihafuna and it is not that the Masaro la jingla only very small is the population. Watching oraha how we say some of hormones level so to hala dini takni generation ni the Masaro la orang di Masaro bo chengpung lega refaika jini tara disaya kwebo yoi phaika ar ibu habo hojai habo Nagaland habo ar ibu habo Dimapur habo sikabo jini tibu dara disa jini dunia ba duha ibu matai kuya banja mane dara matai khlimia ba ore padrikariya ba ilia ba dara ke more scientific level more mane modernized level so that it becomes this thing acceptable to all. It should be more yogic जेबन सिगला दिन तखला chini bu dara disa ke mane ke bunai usi ibu spirituality gede mane langlai do they become more spiritual and they have changed they have adopted some parts from yoga kicha yoga from lama kicha ibu from lama kuku ma from ma tantra ma from lama uliaba jini dara disa ke kisa yogic touch siri dikade jini lehi uniformity mane chanang si ante paulad Umi
Okay, thank you, sir. Duha ulining giving questions phebalangka duha. Dibyajyoti Barman Kharigapsa Shindu, sir. Is there any more opportunities to gain back the right which the then intellectuals given to the governor unknowingly?
Oh, okay. Udini bu 1969 says unknowingly. Unknowingly means due to yes, because they were not educated. It's our leaders at that time. They did not know about it. Chikabo buke jing love monthly ठीक है जा wala governor jang jing mane क्या अपना इसी सली का दिमा असम बंगनी मासी ग्रुप थंबा जिंग ओदे सोबा एवं कार्बियांग लंफं ओदे गवर्नर हाउसा प्रोफेसर मुखी जंगनी ने सली ही वो जिंग चिका इबु गरावके जेनबा जिनि कस्टमरी रूल के जिंग जुदी इस्लाम फुका चिला उखे निंगी फ्रेनन अप्रूवल रिटर्न रिया Would you say to I'm very sorry. I'm going to sign directly to sign type in because I am guided by the Council of Ministers. It means the government of Assam. The government of Assam anke mane guide like I say, angora sign like those customary laws. Sigla duala nai ba sigla jinla masisin info masisin lamadin bo it is implementation of article 244A to safeguard our this council state within a state till to aging state within a state with the mica sigla we'll get our own distinct governor whatever say to a gathang sarau joint sarau or this see Garo Sarau, usini customary rule laws gutula safe city misilda. Because they have got their own government at the center in Meghalaya. What do you Article 244A, which is NC Hills and Karbi Anglong can form a state within a state. Either partially or wholly. वो कार्बी सरो जो दिन नंगजुए चला जिंग दिमा सरो वमंग को इबकले फुटसे माने माइला फुटसे बिला बोला इबुसिटी constitution the provision city it is already this provision so the thing is that it is only has to be this thing implemented. Everybody Ibu Jogadish Mukhi, this is Professor Jogadish Mukhi, this is the Honorable, this is the Governor of this Assam. Wouldn't specifically. This is what you must have your own distinct order. usindo gorode. Umi.
Okay, thank you, sir. Running the next question kilahanang. Celeste Hakmosa Shindu, what according to you, sir, would you suggest mechanisms to not lean towards the capitalist system and build a reliant society?
Yes, because capitalism is a very this dangerous trend, and capitalism it is also this thing going away. One night was in COVID semua bapa perang, jing dua buji pega. Just saying capitalism is not going to last. Even dua ibu capitalism from jing di muktu zahi dong masih kete, cinta jan ibu dong lalu si council le. Council have jing masih decision lalu. Jadi ibu ke सबसे को हबड़ी आजिंग रहा जिनी वो काउंसिल इबू हा दिमा हसवा वो लाइमस्टोन के लाया वो कुछ के वो जिन कैंसिल कर दिया वो पंग ला वो ऑलरेडी यूज़ लेगा बॉन्ड लेगा कोयला के वो जिन उसमें बॉन्ड लेगा वो दे है मिनरल ऑयल माइका सिक्के वो जिन गवर्नमेंट of India ne jing dia ibu butuh krip di basro se mai manam bu sama ba ibu ha wo mane boundary ni bisinga dung ya ba suppose tinang tsung watering this ha ibu mai ka thau mai ka within the premises of within the boundary of that which is village. Okay, cooperative democracy. Cooperative democracy mute se okay, create subung ke mane some involved lehi. Masi cooperative lehi. Bu so cooperative se bu thau ke sale claim. Ar burang ke dimasru maina. Kribu maina orange subung. Odinia je, ibu semua council sin main ibu jenis Odinia. Wo asaba apa ini je ibu jaga ni, ibu subung butuh, unsi se main manang, unsi se bubra. Au jalating, koila jalating, limestone jalating, asaba jalating. Unsi ke iliaba jenis ke cing masih awareness awareness and our rights. Umi.
All right, sir. Celeste Hakmosani, actually, second part of question ang Shimpaya ba? It's already sir addressed like Bushingba. What are your thoughts on utilizing the natural resources of the region? Okay, sir, already addressed like next question nahanang. Abi Monali Longmai line Niprang, Bushindu, different Dimasa speaking regions have various problems. Do you think that one organization can address their major grievances together, or there should be region specific grievances addressed from intra region? There are too many organizations in Dimasa, but none are able to fulfill or address the common grievances in the truest sense. That's our address.
Boleh boleh masih organisasi sedang dia ibu caya. Pasti jadi masih tunggu masih sini darah di sini di masa darah di sini dolci. Mana raja se mana ala singpung riba jadi riba. Ibu se raja se. Tuhala mana raji seri masih, uriba ni, uha mana di masa darah di sadol masih, kaba mungu. Udah mana jaga di masa darah di sana dol, sengpong puri ka ase, mana Dimaji ke nujaya ne sengpung puri ka ar dimas sa seriba malai jadi ke nujaya ni jaya ba nebo sibo ba ka jadi puri ka sibo kilia ba setup la one spearheaded mane jise organization jamane pure village specific se jamana village sa busini charjan ni problem dong ang ibu jadi ke lama laya okay jing decentralized letter da nole ya ang mana sibule village council ase di hamana ore kije ora ni sumbutu bo ekhna accept na ar jini tara disahabo ebu janania diktere janania ni ala sere ba subung ulia ba nuja ya ba sere ba sikala ma sarabo ore he nadi tara jang claim jing jing ibu ke la sausi ko tar ibne jadi buria senggung buria ba uli mane mase lutput jamani chance to wo ani personal life of my padu de anglania mane ani mane kinsman putu ni beso haplong apot bambi ulia ba dol sumbutu ar given nole about dore do sibo nole harimanangre and it should be specific to the region, not to one district organization. Otherwise, this organization masaro ni de mana hala jama raja dongomu use ebu khlerimu dictate khlerimu sigbo duhala raji se raja odi bani completely decentralized da nola level ha langmana umi.
Okay, sir. Sir, duhade ibude not exactly question. Quickly eating Sihanang Gidima Kumar Naben Ade from Dimapur. Good Sihadu. Hi, Dr. Dhruba Hojai. I follow you on social media. I agree with you about having a regional political party, which is region-centric party, which can ally with any ruling party in the state or center. Thanks, Dhruba Gidima. I guess you are already on the move towards that. Question Nampaniprang, Shivraj Kemprai Niprang, Bushindu, just like we should give up old practices such as shifting cultivation, which is not beneficial, shouldn't we also change some of our social practices, like women not being allowed to be Kunang head Gaumbara of a village?
Bukela jadi madang murangning mulai Kunang botmani Zafia, Aribu Zafia, Gaumbara Zafia. Ibu dindarah ni sistem hala jadi ibu semua constitutional safeguard hala women ne budi du ibu ke la rima nama and jadi social lapu menang gada ni social system ke jing remedying khabu chaya ke jing mane style lapu why not start with his own village first. Let us change this thing, Gambura or this Kuna, and let's see what happens. I think it will be good for me.
Okay, sir. Duha, President of Atsu Karimganj District Committee Niprang Haiba comment. Bunchi napa unmute jarning Shingma Mijingladu. So you may ask question Shingla Fudu, Mr. Manik Pujai Burman.
Jutai sir.
Jutai.
Jutai sir. Ane bumu Manik Burman. Ane sempong ke hojai sa.
Acha. Deh.
Sir, ang slingman ang do ore. Sir, ira Karimganj gabangma dimasarau dong. So, sir, I would like to say the Hindi, sir.
Okay. You can speak in Hindi also.
तो क्या हुआ यहाँ पे मतलब बहुत सारा दिमासा है यहाँ पर 23 विलेजेस है और पॉपुलेशन 20,000 अराउंड 20,000 है तो सर यहाँ का प्रॉब्लम है मतलब कि वो दिमासा तो ओरिजिनली दिमासा ही है। वो लोग मतलब कि यहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं वो लोग सब मतलब वो खासपुर वगैरह, वो खासपुर और बोरखोला वहाँ से ही सब लोग आया है यहाँ पे। तो सर ड्यू टू सम कम्युनिकेशन गैपिंग के वजह से उन लोगों का लैंग्वेज मतलब बहुत डिफरेंट आ गया। मतलब 50% लैंग्वेज आर सेम बट 50% आर मिक्स। कुछ रियांग का लैंग्वेज 20% और बंगाली 10% और त्रिपुरा का लैंग्वेज 20%। तो इस वजह से सर अभी मतलब कुछ भी ये करने से कम्युनिकेशन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होते हैं सर। तो इसका सोल्यूशन क्या होगा सर?
इसको सोल्यूशन तो ऐसे है कि इफ योर लैंग्वेजेस हैज बीन मिक्स्ड, हाँ
यस सर।
तुम्हारा आप लोग को जो ये है लैंग्वेज फिंगर दिमासा और दूसरे वर्ड्स भी है ना इसमें, हाँ
यस सर।
हाँ, तो वही 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 चलाते जाओ। उसमें तो हम लोग उनको तो इसमें तो दिमासा लैंग्वेज बोल के तो नहीं है ना अभी।
हाँ सर।
हम लोग को हो गया दिमासा लैंग्वेज इज नाउ probably it is in the stage of what you call defuncts, हाँ
Yes.
वो अभी हम लोग उनको प्रिजर्वेशन लगता सिर्फ, और हम आगे में भी बोला हम एक टू लैंग्वेज 3000 ईयर्स तक जाता है।
Yes, sir.
इसीलिए वो 3000 ईयर्स तक का बाद में क्या जानी हम लोग को उनको दिमासा लैंग्वेज भी मेन स्ट्रीम लैंग्वेज भी हो सकता है बाद में 3000 ईयर्स को बाद में। तो वही इसीलिए हम लोग उनको वर्ड जितना वर्ड स्टॉक है, हम लोग को जितना डांस फॉर्म है, हम लोग को जितना म्यूजिक है, हम लोग को जितना माने गान है, उसको एक यूनिवर्सिटी में हम लोग को प्रिजर्व करना है। अभी जो चलता है इट इज गुड, इट इज अ मिक्स्ड लैंग्वेज एंड देयर आर मेनी मिक्स्ड लैंग्वेजेस इन इंडिया। साउथ इंडिया में बहुत जिसकी एथनिक लैंग्वेज है वो अभी मेन स्ट्रीम लैंग्वेज से मिक्स हुई है, लेकिन दिमासा लैंग्वेज तो हम लोग उनको सीखने को राइट है।
यस सर। हाँ सर, तो इसलिए सर मैंने मतलब कि बहुत दिन पहले ये किया, मतलब कि वो ऑल असम साहित्य सभा से ये आया कि मेरा पास एक प्रपोजल आया कि तुम लोगों का करिंगगंज डिस्ट्रिक्ट में कितना दिमासा का कितना विलेजेस है वो सर्वे करके दो, और स्कूल का जो क्लास 3 से लेके ये क्लास 10 तक कितना स्टूडेंट्स है तो वो सब डाटा कलेक्ट करके मुझे देने के लिए बोला। तो मैंने वो सब कुछ दे दिया। और इस ईयर वो सेंट्रल बुशु दिमा के दिन वो दिमासा संस्कृत परिषद का प्रेसिडेंट सिलचर का है वो, तो उसको भी मैंने दिया। तो उसने बोला कि 15 स्कूल मैंने दिया, लिस्ट दिया, तो उसमें से 9 स्कूल बोला कि वो सीएम सर और डॉक्टर हिमंत विश्व शर्मा ने ये अप्रूवल दिया कि वो जो 9 स्कूल में वो दिमासा लैंग्वेज पढ़ाया जाएगा। बट स्टिल मतलब अभी तक उसका कोई ऐसा नोटिफिकेशन, तो ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन तो नहीं आया सर।
हाँ, वो तो बात तो ऐसे है कि ऐसे कि अभी जो हम लोग समाज जैसे बोलने से नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हम लोग उनको मेन 4 समाज है अभी। एक हो गया जैसे असमिया समाज, एक हो गया बोडो समाज, एक हो गया लेप्चा समाज, और एक हो गया जैसे बांग्ला समाज। तो आप लोग तो बांग्ला समाज का अंदर में माने गिर गया, हाँ प्रैक्टिकली। लेकिन आप लोग तो माने बांग्ला और दिमासा मिक्स करके बोलता नहीं क्या?
नहीं सर, मतलब 10% वर्ड मतलब जो है वो बंगाली का 10% वर्ड वो मिक्स हो गया सर।
वो तो हो गए,
हाँ
वो
सर।
तो खाली कचर से शुरू हुआ अभी। हाँ
हाँ सर।
अभी दूसरे दिमाग एरिया में भी वैसे ही होगा। हाँ मेरा खेल में, लेकिन हम लोग उनको मेन माने यह होगा, प्रोग्राम होगा कि हम लोग उनको जो अभी एग्जिस्टिंग जो वर्ड्स है उसको हम लोग स्टॉक में रख देगा।
यस सर।
अभी ये समाज तो होने दो। हाँ अभी जैसे कि लेप्चा समाज है ना, लेप्चा समाज लाइक दिस थिंग, दिस सिक्किम, भूटान और दार्जिलिंग एरियाज कितना तो है, और दिस अरुणाचल एरिया है, उसमें लेप्चा लैंग्वेज तो कैसे हुआ? इट वाज नॉट डेवलप्ड इन इंडिया, उसको उन लोगों ने में बनाया, यूएसए में, लैंग्वेज लेबोरेटरीज ऑफ यूएसए, वहां से उन लोगों ने लेप्चा लैंग्वेज तो बना के लेप्चा वर्ड्स देखी, और लेप्चा जो स्क्रिप्ट भी है उन लोगों को, वो स्क्रिप्ट देखी, उसको लेप्चा लैंग्वेज अभी रिच एक लैंग्वेज बनाया, और वो लैंग्वेज अभी नेपाली लैंग्वेज को रिप्लेस करने वाला है अभी, सिक्किम में भी, भूटान में भी, सब में भी। So some of you have चीज to say language को problem to it is the ever going process। हाँ
यस सर।
ये बात नहीं जे आप लोग उधर में दिमासा 90% वर्ड यूज करता है, बांग्ला 10% ये करते यूज करता है, ये तो ठीक है मेरे ख्याल पे, it is nothing wrong। हाँ but the thing is that you must have the liberty to learn your language,
yes sir,
first, and your history
yes,
of the Dimasa। ये चीज आप लोग को क्लास प्राइमरी सेक्शन में सिखाना है ये।
हाँ सर। इसलिए सर मैं, हाँ सर, इसलिए मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रहा हूँ सर अभी, और थोड़ा कुछ वो दिमासा का डिक्शनरी मैंने ये खुद ये करके अभी थोड़ा कुछ लिख रहा हूँ सर।
ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। और साथ में आपको वो जो दिमासा हिस्ट्री को बारे में आप ये प्रोग्राम तो रखिए।
हाँ सर।
दिमासा हिस्ट्री हम लोग को जानने चाहिए।
हाँ सर,
ये बात है।
थैंक यू सर। हाय सर।
ओके उमी।
Okay, sir. Next question, Dr. Subul Maibangsangide Manipram. Shindu, sir, could you please throw some light on the present economic status of Dimasa people in terms of economic indicators?
This one will be very difficult for me to answer because I have not gone through in depth. But the thing is that since we are under the council is taking all the decisions, they are making all the rules, and they are making all the projects, and they are saying that they are giving this and that. So these indicators can only be available if some team is made to go into each villages and make a survey of that. Otherwise, it will not be possible on my part because I have not gone through it, and it is this thing what we call some sort of a Herculean task. Umi.
Okay, sir. Duhaira last question ang Muhaya Bade, Rudon Jidung Niprang, Bu Rebdu Bushindu, education system nolai ha improve chado yaba ni kamangdu. Apart from government teachers, Jini Jarni community nolai bisingha education via audio or video recording thahi funukhala bede janam. Education may be to village kraurau or children or youth for better economic status.
Very good question. This education should be through nowadays, this thing what you call online, because of so many problems, you know. And Duhala Chindi, minor Butuke, mainly we should give more focus on the minors being taught by the this thing, lady teachers, because lady teachers have got more kuchini yau mane hamdao ibu choma ibu ke minor butu kisting rimani are ibu teachers butu ni just like the United States of America, because they have got collateral, what do you call this thing, systems. What I have seen very flavor. I do. The teachers, the primary school teachers are the most educated and the most highly paid teaching teachers, or the highly paid this officers. So we should take up this system. What you say, Jenny? Ibu Jenny bu base. Udwa ibu tiba Nobel laureate. Nobel laureate that if we want to develop our this land, then we have to give stress on the primary education and this primary health. So primary health niklela doctors dong la to postgraduate doctor bodong super specialist bodong. Chigabo primary education niklela uli aba teacher ki. Teacher hamba nangdu highly qualified. They must be very trained, and they must be this thing highly paid also. So if these three things are fulfilled, I think our primary this education will be will get a boost in the real sense of the term. For me.
Okay, sir. Duha ang questions they are hayaka skabo editing sir ke thank thai dukripo shingero Dr. Subal Mai Bangsa Gadimabo. Thank you, Sadu, for the answer. Dr. Monali Longmai everyone, shingero thank you, Sadu. Ranoj Burman Sadu, very enlightening speech. Thanks, sir. The topic really includes very vast area. This kind of online meeting must be held again and again.
Okay then.
Given questions, Paya Skala Jing Rahaning, I think we can wind up. Skabo ang ani last ani ang route slama boyebala skang ha Gadima Subal Mai Bangsa Shimbalaining. I think bookaging exactly book socio-economic problems ke address climate skala research deeper research nangu ode he bunekla hi I think jini methodologies nadi dong bubren ke apply klima nangma jing di master society nadi hapai ha di master dong or thangni pura jing survey klima nangma di masani social life occupation trip jadi literacy rate bubren ke jing collect like status bubren ke jing record like jing mashi clear picture maima socio economic status I think researchers to although it's a very big area of research, time consuming this is very important. Dr. Subal Mai Bangsa ulining dua Rebhadu. I'm really touched by the concern of Amrita Burman from Karimganj. Could our DLM with the help of DHAC
royal fan
the Dimasa language? Yes, it's quite an issue. I hope jing ibu crowd he putu ibu issues putu ke lahi in future jing aspa mashi concrete resolution kala hamang so given our queries phaya khatskala I think I will take the opportunity to thank Gadima Dr. Dhruba Hojai for delivering a very insightful lecture on such a vast and critical topic. Thank Ladu Sarke Ibu Dimasa Scholars League ni from, and also thank you to all the participants. She learning pagi ba lectures ba after we organize ka tatsabu learning participation asa lagu. Odeh gidima I'm really indebted to you. She time travel era bapada eligible kaban tadi. I hope in future sir ning asajing help na kabo you will keep listening Yurupama. So
Sir,
Dr. Murali Longmailai also writes now Amrita Burman there will be a talk on the Masas of Barak Valley.
Sir, can I get your number, sir?
Whose number? My number?
Yes, sir.
Who are you?
Sir, I'm Manik Burman from Karimganj.
You please, you please note it down.
Yes, sir.
967 809
609.
No, 809.
809.
Then again 8099.
8099.
Yes,
okay, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Humi Burman, for conducting such a grand, meet.
Yes, sir.
It's a multiple meet.
This is a team collaboration of the Dimasa Scholars League.
Yeah.
So
this
to hear from you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for your concern about the Dimasa people, and hope to meet you soon.
Sure, sir, surely.
Again.
So with this, Ibu Jangjing, Ibu lecture series program ke running Jamri Ladu. Danang ulining ground like pinang jing lecture initiative ke ulining ground pinang ode he jing she discuss kale pinang ili jangning ang iraha ke jamru si ang declare kale. Thank you so much. Jutai krip ke.
As one more thing I want to ask.
Sure, sir.